is Shanu Shah, and welcome to Pros Parlay. Today, our guest is Jiganshu Sharma, and she has already published 6 books. 5 of them are in English, and one of them is in Hindi. And she's really a wonderful, very quirky person. I'm sure this you will be laughing in this episode completely. It will be kind of full of jokes. I can assure you that if you and be here till the end. So let's welcome Jiganshu Sharma. Hi Jiganshu, how are you?
I'm good, Shanu. How are you?
I'm also good. Welcome to Pros Parlay, and thank you very much for accepting the invitation.
Thank you so much for asking me that. And I keep on watching. I have watched Vikas Ka, and I was like, oh, mera number kab aayega?
Oh my God, okay.
I have to confess this. Whenever I find something good, I was like, will she ask me? Or will she not ask me? Maybe I can go and ask her, yaar, mujhe le lo. So it's kind of funny situation inside my mind.
It happens. You are right. नहीं आपको तो पूछना ही था बट एक्चुअली पता नहीं आई जस्ट ड्रॉप अ मैसेज एंड आई डिडंट नो के क्योंकि वेरी फ्रेंकली आई एम नॉट वेरी फ्रेंडली ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम नॉट फ्रेंडली आल्सो बट आई डोंट स्पीक अ लॉट आई एम नॉट लाइक आउट देयर मैं ग्रुप में इतना ज्यादा एक्टिव नहीं होती हूँ so that's the reason I was not sure that what kind of reactions I'll get. So I just messaged in one of the group and I got very positive reaction about it. बहुत सारे schedule हो गए. In fact May end तक मेरे सारे schedule हैं अभी तक. तो that is why this today I got a problem. मेरा सुबह भी एक इंस्टा लाइव था और शाम को भी था because I moved up the dates. मैंने पूरा डेट्स गलत कमिट कर दिया 2 जनों को. मैंने बोला अभी वैसे भी उनका शाम का था एंड यू विल बी फ्री इन द इवनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ योर बैंकिंग जॉब. तो मैंने बोला तो फिर सेट हो जाएगा तो कर ही लेते हैं मना नहीं करते. That's how it started. So Jiganshu, you have written quite a lot of books. And I just want to ask you some questions because you are also working in a bank. और बैंक तो अपने को पता ही है कि बैंक में कैसे लोग आते हैं क्योंकि मैं खुद जाके काफी बार चिल्ला के आती हूँ वेरी फ्रेंकली. तो मेरा बैंक SBI है. तो आई एम नॉट श्योर आई शुड से दिस बट वहां पे तो चिल्लाना बनता है यार. वरना काम ही नहीं निकलेगा अपना.
Right. So, well, I'm not from SBI. मैं तो CBI से हूँ. But हाँ, customer वहाँ पे भी चिल्लाते हैं. So I'm not that old, but the thing is that when you are in that kind of situation जहाँ पर अब 10 सालों से लगे हुए हैं, and the job is quite boring, and most of the time you won't get your choice of city, you won't get your choice of staff, and you don't even get your choice of seat. Suppose I like working in loan, but most of the time कोई operation में छुट्टी पे होता है, I have to sit in the operation seat. Most of the things I don't know. And the customer shout on me, ये किसको बिठा दिया? And I was like, बिठाया नहीं है भाई, पेपर क्लियर किया है. Though I am a loan person, loan के problem है तो पूछ लो. But the saving thing and current thing and that account opening and the inoperative accounts, they just are like, I'm not very prompt in that. I don't do it on daily basis. So yes, लोग चिल्लाते हैं, हम भी चिल्ला लेते हैं. So that kind of situation in banking.
Yeah. So when you're working in that kind of atmosphere, how do you keep the balance between your banking and bookish adventure? How do you get that inspiration कि मुझे ऐसे stories लिखना है और सबसे ज़्यादा इतना stress झेलने के बाद to open a computer and write it down, that is a big challenge. So how do you do that?
Yeah, true. Shanu, the thing is that when we are, I told about myself because I'm very, you won't believe it, but I'm a very, when I was a kid, I was very much bullied in the school and I was very shy kind of kid. And I kept things to myself. I don't go out much. I like to read comics and novels and newspapers. I used to read everything. So somehow it started in those years, like 8 or 9, I started drawing the things and comics ban gaya. Then I started writing poetry. And तब फिर उसके बाद after engineering I joined bank and वहां पर the situation is very stressful, demonetization and blah blah and what not, then COVID, everything is happening like this. So to unwind my stress, I feel like writing it. I don't go out and shout on people. I don't go out and choose to run away. Though in my mind I feel like आज मैं पेपर डाल दूंगी, but it's a सरकारी नौकरी, I don't want to leave it. पैसा अच्छा है, छुट्टियां भी अच्छी हैं. And at this age, I don't think so. कहीं और कुछ होगा. So I was like, यार what to do. तो दिमाग में ना वही थ्रिलर, मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज एंड हॉरर ये सब सामने चल ही रहा होता लाइफ में. एंड देन यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि बिकॉज यू आर वेरी मच इन द स्ट्रेस, तो हाउ टू अनवाइंड इट. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि मतलब इससे अच्छा कोई रास्ता था मेरे लिए. इट जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ माई हार्ट. ऐसा नहीं था कि इट इज प्लान कि मैं बुक लिखूंगी. Though I used to write poetry for newspaper when I was a kid, I post them. वो कभी छपती थी, कभी नहीं छपती थी. It was not a plan to write a book. It just happened like that. I was rejected for some rishta, shadi ka, over Dahej. I was very angry. I was like, oh my God. Well, I'm that kind of kid जो मुझे पता था क्या, ठीक है बैंक में हूँ, अच्छी नौकरी है, ठीक ठाक दिखती हूँ, अच्छा पैकेज है. How could anybody reject and say to me कि आपके पेरेंट्स कौन सी कार देंगे? And I was like, हाँ,
Oh my
इसको
God.
कार चाहिए. Oh God. So I asked my parents कि ये किस तरीके का हो रहा है. That night I was really upset and I don't feel worthy enough. So I was like, एक लंबा सा कुछ लैपटॉप पे मैंने I started typing और वो 3 से 4 चैप्टर मैंने उस दिन लिख डाला. It was in 2014 or 15, I guess. Yeah, it was my first book was released in 2017, Friends Forever, yeah, whatever. So I just keep on writing and writing. Next day I sent it to my friend. She was also in Maine. She was like, "Wow, क्या book है?" मैंने कहा, हाँ, क्या book है? तो started with my childhood memories. मैंने कहा बचपन से ही में दबाया जाता है for girls particularly, like middle class में होते हैं, पढ़ाई करो, कुछ अच्छे बन जाओ, कुछ नौकरी अच्छी ले लो, and then you will be like settled, you will be like married. मैंने कहा वो सब कुछ करने के बाद being a topper, being a good girl, being a banker and everything, and like we are my father is searching a good boy for a prospective groom for me, and at that time I was तोला जा रहा था मेरी क्रेडिबिलिटी को और एक कार को. I mean 7-8 लाख की कार थी यार, ज्यादा महंगी भी नहीं थी. So वो बहुत irritating. At that point the journey started and it never ended.
Wow, wow, that's really an inspiring story actually. एंड ये बहुत होता है ना, आपको
Thank
देख
you.
के या आपका इंस्टाग्राम देख के ना कोई बोलेगा नहीं कि दैट यू आर दैट शाय पर्सन. सब लोग वो इंस्टाग्राम को
Yeah.
देख के तो यही बोलेंगे दैट शी इज वेरी क्वर्की एंड
हाँ,
वेरी कूल
very
काइंड ऑफ
quirky, very
पर्सन.
outgoing.
वेरी
But you won't believe whenever I go on stage, एक बार मेरे पैर कांपते हैं, एक बार मुझे भी हिचकिचाहट होती है. But something is there inside me like, go, you can do it, just go. So we writers have many personalities. I feel that.
या वी ऑल ऑफ लाइक मैं भी थोड़ा पहले इंट्रोवर्ट थी. आई थिंक मुझे लगता है ना जितने से मैं बात कर रही हूँ एवरीवन सेज द सेम थिंग दैट मोस्टली इंट्रोवर्ट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग देयर बुक और मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट और व्हाटएवर and then they become authors, because they have to handle their
Yeah,
emotions. How do you channel it? So they
right,
will
right.
channel it through writing, because my journey also started in a very similar way. I was like very frustrated over here and I can't speak, मतलब मैं किसी को बता नहीं पाती थी what I'm going through. So वो बोलते हैं ना कि भाई लाइफ में, पर्सनल लाइफ में तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, रियल लाइफ में बुक में जाके 2 दिन उनको मार दिया या बैंड बजा दी वो इन बुक आवर स्टोरी, तो वो ऐसे कुछ
Right, right,
था. But yeah, that's
right, right.
really nice to know. Anyways, if your books were translated into emojis, what would you like in any kind of language? Do you think you would like to translate those in other languages also?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to translate them in first of all Hindi, because there's hell lot of readers. There's a big niche of reader which
Yes.
I love to connect,
Mm.
because I have tried for foreign stores and etc. But my brother is in New Zealand. He tried and he said, "You written lots of your my books are very much interrelated with middle class Indian family and Indian culture and how we grew up and became strong personality or weak personality or bad personality, or we become villain or we become a good person. So it depends upon how our Indian culture bring up like that. So the story is mainly based on this thing now, because I have very much मैं अब इंडिया से ही हूँ तो इंडिया के बारे में नहीं लिख पाऊंगी ना. I can't go and write about London or write about US, because I have never ever lived there. I don't know how people react and how they eat, what they like to go and what they like to do in their free time. So I definitely want to translate my books in Hindi, and I keep on thinking, but somehow I didn't get that much of time. कि हाँ यार किया जा सकता है, but maybe someday.
But आपने यार 5 novels लिखी है, वो 5 में से 4 English
6.
है. 6, yes, you have written 6 novels,
6, yes.
out of which 5 are English and 1 is Hindi. So
In English. Yeah, what is Hindi?
yeah, 5 of them are in English, but 1 is in Hindi, na, that Patang book.
Right. Patang book, yes, yes.
है ना? तो वो आपने हिंदी में लिखी, तो आपको कुछ चैलेंजिंग लगा बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश, फर्स्ट 5 books वेर इन इंग्लिश, राइट, एंड देन सडनली यू आर राइटिंग
Yeah.
हिंदी. सो डू यू थिंक दैट स्टाइल और जो राइटिंग टेक्निक है या स्टोरी बताने का कोई तरीका है, डू यू थिंक दैट डिफर्स इन बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस?
Actually, Patang is a collection of Hindi poetry. So the first thing challenging is, yeah, whenever I was in bank, I keep on working, and sometimes a line came to your mind, and I just pick up my mobile और इंग्लिश में मैं उसको टाइप कर देती थी, जैसे कुछ भी है, मेरे दिल ने ये कहा वो कहा, जो whatever ऐसे लिख दिया. And then the first challenging thing was के the last time I write something in Hindi is in my 10th class, was like 12, 15 years ago. I don't remember exactly when. So after that, everything is in English. Like 10th में एक ही subject था हिंदी का यार. Everything is in English, right? So it was very difficult for me to first of all type. So I asked my friend. She is better than me. So I asked my friend कि यार ये मेरे पास ना कुछ poetry का collection है and I want to publish it फटाफट से, because I have a gap of 2 years after Papa 2 and the Sanskari Girlfriend. So I don't want to waste it down. I just want to get a book, another published in that time. So I was like, यार तू कुछ कर और इनका कुछ कर दे. So she just read it and then write it down in Hindi. Some app Google में English to Hindi. I don't know how she did it and it was terrible because उसकी भी बहुत spelling mistakes थी और मुझे पता भी चल रहा था. But we have that laptop. This laptop में ना वो नहीं रहा था हमसे, वो पतंग के ऊपर अगर त के नीचे अ की मात्रा हुआ, that was really bad. तो बहुत बुरी लिखी है हमने. Though the readers loved it, and though every now and then they on my reviews they write it spelling mistakes थी कुछ हिंदी में, but it's okay. Book इतनी नहीं चली, though it was collection of poetry since my teenage year or childhood years. काफी पुरानी 25-30 साल पुरानी, 25-30 साल तो नहीं, 20-25 साल पुरानी कुछ poems थी जो मैंने उसमें डाली थी. तो it was very close to my heart क्योंकि उसमें मेरे बचपन से लेके टीनेज की जो struggles होती हैं, and जब मैं जॉब पे अकेली गई, आई मिस माय मदर, फिर मेरे को प्यार हुआ, शादी हुई, ये सब चीजें हैं. तो डिफिकल्ट था हाँ बहुत, और मैं अब सोचती हूँ उसको ठीक कराऊं और दोबारा से पब्लिश करूं. दैट इज आल्सो अनदर बिग टास्क व्हिच आई एम वेटिंग किसी दिन, मे बी समडे. तो यस, इट वाज बिट डिफिकल्ट.
यस. एंड हाउ डू यू लाइक, और एक चीज है, आप नॉन फिक्शन लाइट कॉमेडी भी लिखते हो, एंड देन लाइक जैसे दिस फ्रेंड्स फॉरएवर वाला एक थोड़ा कॉमेडी वाला है स्टोरी, राइट, एंड देन यू आल्सो हैव लव लेडीज एंड सियापा, दैट इज आल्सो बिट ऑफ कॉमेडी. So from there, Papa 1 and Papa 2 are your horror stories. So do you think over there also you kind of you have to change your writing style, your vocabulary will be different, the way you tell the story will be different. So how is that transition happening? Because poetry है, poetry से rom-com से फिर horror है. It's like quite a
right.
you have.
Yeah, the genre might be changing. That starting में rom-com हुआ, फिर पापा horror आए. But my style is like satirical, comical style. वो horror plus comedy ही है उसमें, पापा में. Like छोटी छोटी चीजों में जो हम अपने घर में करते हैं, उसमें हल्का सा twist हो गया, and then it became a funny situation. पापा में not just horror, it's big comedy. Plus the problem is also it's a family drama also, right? एक साथ हम, I just don't feel like writing just simple horror. Like if you're writing a book, if you're writing, there are bunch of characters. If there is a police inspector, there might be his wife, his mother, his mother. So घर में कुछ टसल होगा between husband and wife. तो उसको थोड़ा कॉमिक में वो आ ही जाता है. It's not that, कहते हैं ना कि एक फितरत होती है इंसान की. Like I am very, my sense of humor, I feel it's very good, and whenever I talk to somebody, it came out. So while writing, it also came out. So when the inspector went to his office, his the commissioner is very a big foodie. He's from Delhi. He उसकी टेबल पे बहुत सारा खाना पड़ा रहता था, एंड एक कॉमिक सिचुएशन आ जाती है. दैट इंस्पेक्टर इज लाइक, अरे यार चटनी भी चाटेगा क्या, प्लेट को तो छोड़ दे, इसको भी खाएगा ही क्या. तो वो काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन बनती चली जाती है व्हाइल आई राइटिंग. सो पापा हो, रोम-कॉम हो या संस्कारी गर्लफ्रेंड हो, देयर इज बिट कॉमेडी सब में है. एक सटायरिकल वे ऑफ हर जगह है. अगर वाइफ है तो हस्बैंड के साथ सरकास्टिक होगी ही, प्यार होगा लेकिन उलझने भी होंगी. सो पापा में वो भी है, संस्कारी गर्लफ्रेंड में भी सेम है, एंड द सेम इज विद लव लेडीज एंड सियापा, जिसमें प्रॉब्लम्स तो हैं बट लाइफ को एक साथ एक, मैं उसको आई डिप इट इन सम कॉमिकल थिंग्स सो दैट इट वोंट लुक सो हैवी एंड सो सैड. सैडनेस है बट ऊपर ऊपर से हंसी मजाक में निकाल दो ताकि लोग समझ भी जाए, एंड एंटरटेनमेंट का जो फैक्टर है वो बना रहे, बोरिंग ना हो, पेज टर्नर भी रहे और साथ में. Yeah.
Yes. I just love this book, you know, इसका cover. The
Thank
cover
you.
is so beautiful.
Yeah.
मतलब इतना
Yeah.
जब भी आप इंस्टाग्राम पे मतलब इंस्टाग्राम पे जाओ या किसी बुक फेयर के भी फोटोज आ रहे हो ना, संस्कारी गर्लफ्रेंड इज एवरीवेयर. सो आई थिंक दिस बुक इज द बेस्ट वन. आई वुड से कि आपने शायद इसमें मेहनत भी बहुत की है, लिखने में भी एंड मार्केटिंग में भी. आई सी दैट यू आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. आप अंडमान निकोबार भी घूमने जा रहे हो तो यू आर हैविंग दैट बुक विथ यू, राइट? मतलब मैंने
Yeah.
फोटोज देखे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे. सो यू डू अ लॉट ऑफ
Right, right.
थिंग ऑन मार्केटिंग. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मतलब उससे कहीं मिलता है आपको फॉलोअर्स या सेल्स, कुछ भी रिकॉग्निशन एक?
I don't know about followers. Followers मेरे इतने नहीं बढ़ते हैं, but yeah, sales are in the starting of the thing. Like मैं Amazon पे भी उसको promote करती हूँ. And of course, my agent and the book fairs are like I'm in everywhere. तो संस्कारी गर्लफ्रेंड की सेल बहुत अच्छी है.
हाँ.
And whenever I write a book, I just mainly keep in mind कि यार एक तो टाइटल स्ट्राइकिंग होना चाहिए, एकदम
Yes.
ऐसा हो कि बंदा सोचे अरे वाह ये क्या चीज है, व्हाट इज दिस.
ले लेते हैं.
एंड सेकंड इज कवर. कवर इज एक्चुअली कवर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग.
Yes.
यार कवर ऐसा हो कि बंदा एक बार उठा ले. When they pick it up, they definitely going to read the title. Then they turn the book and read the blurb.
Love.
Here is the thing, a key thing which helped me to sell the book. So yes, Pairs में काफी अच्छा sell हो रहा है. Amazon पे बहुत अच्छा sell है. You know, you won't believe it कि somehow with God grace, Papa वन के बाद से every book of mine, whenever it get launched, तो within an hour or two or a day maximum, वो bestseller हो जाती है. And I get the tag within a week. It's for months. I know पतंग नहीं चली. It was not that bestseller. Love Lady Syaba भी कम चली, but Papa 1, 2 and The Sanskari Girlfriend, they're like bestseller for months. Maybe I write horror thriller better than this contemporary fiction and rom-com. So I find out कि हाँ यार ठीक है यही लिखेंगे. This is my way of researching. मैं किसी I would like to use, people are using AI to research कि आजकल क्या चल रहा है उस पे लिखोगे. That I can't do because I want to do which come out from my heart.
Exactly.
जो मैं relate कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
So that's the first thing of my marketing tool के cover and title and what come out of my heart, जिस पे मेरी पकड़ बहुत अच्छी है, वो I want to write and it will be definitely be successful. So I have a small slot of readers जो अच्छा खासा खरीद लेते हैं बुक को. Kindle especially बहुत बिकता है मेरा. Somehow लगाओ within a month or 2,000 तक चला जाता है.
Yeah.
Amazon पे it depends. I try to reduce the price up to 150 to 170, but right now I am with the publication house जिसने बोला कि नहीं यार 230 से नीचे हम नहीं करेंगे. So हाँ मेरी सेल थोड़ी हैम्पर हुई है. थोड़ा हम ये कह सकते हैं कि yeah, it's like it reduced to half. Somehow I feel if the big publication, big writers like Chetan Bhagat is, I find him very interesting personality. If his book are like at 150 or 200, why will a person buy my book at 250 or 260 ना? So price को भी मैं थोड़ा reduce सकती हूँ, especially in the book fair. I keep it at like 100 or 150, not more than, not a penny more than that. क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ उसकी publication cost मिल जाए, सिर्फ उसको printing cost हो जाए पूरी, and फिर and that book is also earning the next book fair का fees also. तो मेरी जेब से कुछ नहीं जा रहा है. So that's what things are doing. So और of course Instagram पे photos and reels तो जा ही रही हैं. Followers, no, I'm not getting that much of followers. I'm very bad with that. So somehow timing भी गड़बड़ है, कुछ reels चलती है कुछ नहीं चलती.
नहीं, your Instagram is really very good. मैं तो इतना कुछ नहीं कर पाती. You do a lot of things and you are very consistent also. So I think
yeah, I try to
you should collab with some influencer or something. तो शायद आपके बढ़ जाए, क्योंकि Instagram में आगे बढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है. I keep doing collaborations. तो एक आध collaboration से मुझे 1000 मिलता है, एक आध collaboration से मेरे को 100 followers मिलते, कभी कभार कुछ भी नहीं मिलता. But still, when I do collaboration, मेरे को अच्छा सा follower base मिल जाता है. So you should start doing that. Then you'll get the follow. I'm sorry I'm saying this, but क्योंकि your Instagram is really very good. मतलब मैं fan हूँ, मैं तो हमेशा check करती हूँ और मैं बोलती हूँ यार ये कुछ इतना सा भी कर दूँ ना, it's like good. I'll also get some good followers. वो collab के बिना organic I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm trying organic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how to collab with influencers. So this is something new for me. So I'm trying to have organic somehow reels के through ही. So let's see कैसे. कभी एक मिल गया, महीने में 4 हुए, 5 हुए. So I keep on a tab on it. अरे इसमें तो सिर्फ 10 ही followers हुए. So it was very sad for me. But still I don't stop posting reels and photographs and my stories. कि चलो भैया whatever जो भी है at least उनको तो retain रखें. So it's a really a tough game.
Exactly, it's actually a tough game. So have you ever written? काफी सारे लोग ना anthologies बहुत लिखते हैं. So have you ever written for an anthology?
Yeah, 2, 3. I don't remember the name. I have submitted my poetries and short stories. 2 or 3, I guess.
Do you think they are very
But I don't remember the name.
helpful for marketing or for establishing ourselves as author? कुछ
No,
इसमें
no,
से
no.
नहीं मिलता ना कुछ भी help.
I, I don't find it very interesting. राइटर्स ने लिखा है वही खरीद लेते हैं हम बुक्स को. Cause ठीक है यार, मैंने भी एक दो ट्राई किया, but as I told you, मैंने खरीदी भी नहीं बुक. तो मैंने खुद ही नहीं खरीदी अपनी. तो मुझे I don't find it very interesting and very fruitful for the sale.
Yes. Okay, moving on to your personal life. How many members are there in your family?
I have a son, my husband, very small family.
Wow, that's really cute. So we are also 4 people. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं तो हम लोग 4 हो गए. But that's good.
Everybody keep on saying me कि हाँ ये 5 साल का हो गया दूसरा. मैंने कहा, look to my hands. I can't handle writing and banking and a kid and another kid. I can't do that. So even I told my husband, my husband is also on same page with me, but though I feel little bit sad about my son कि उसका कोई sibling नहीं होगा. So we were thinking of adopting some kid. Let's see how it goes. I feel like adopting one, a girl. I like girls.
Yeah,
So
I would
let's
have a
see
girl
how
and
that.
a son. That's actually best too. क्योंकि 2 बच्चे और 2 सेम क्या बोलते हैं जेंडर के हो जाए ना बच्चे तो मुश्किल हो जाती है. लड़कियां होगी तो झगड़ेंगी. ये बकल्स को लेकर 2 लड़के होंगे तो झगड़ेंगे कार को लेकर. अभी एक लड़की एक लड़का है.
Right, right.
Easy है मेरा.
Yeah, 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 yeah. True.
So, anyways, we will end our session over here. It was really nice talking to you, and I see you on Insta Live next, है ना?
Sure. Thank you. It was nice coming at your channel and having this conversation. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.